Hi everyone. So I know we've been having some difficulties with PearDeck recently. So I did find a workaround and I wanted to share it with you. So if you are having PearDeck issues where it's not letting you give the students the code in order to join, or it just isn't functioning and it looks different. I know we've had a lot of people having this issue. If you go to the PearDeck website and you log in as a teacher, I'm already logged in, so I can't show you that part. Um, but if you log in as a teacher and it pops up your dashboard, if you go to the bottom where it says present a file from Drive, that's where you can open up your Google Drive and find the assignment that you are looking to present. So for me, it's going to be the most recent assignment. Thankfully, I was just in the assignment. So if I click on it and I press select, it will allow me to start a live session. So in order to present with my students, I would start a live session. As you can see, these ones were not working. Those were me having trouble with PearDeck this morning. So if I start a live session, it will launch the presentation here in the Chrome window, and then you can give students a link. You can also open the teacher dashboard right from here. But if I didn't press open teacher dashboard in this step, I could exit. And then if I'm here and I'm presenting and I'm like, where's my my teacher dashboard? If I press the triple dots, I can open my dashboard in a new window. And when I press this button, it won't show you my teacher dashboard because I'm presenting this tab only, but open dashboard in a new window. And now my teacher dashboard's open. So just wanted to let you know that I found that workaround for those of us who have been having issues with PearDeck. If you have any questions, you can email me. I'm happy to help you out.